Today's topic is comparison between RAM and ROM. Comparison that are can say difference between RAM and ROM. So this is a very frequently asked question. It is asked for 5 marks. You can write any 5 differences. Okay, so we'll discuss this in depth. Okay, so in RAM, the data is stored temporarily till the when you rub the board and write some new data. Likewise, whatever data is written in RAM, only if it is stored in the hard disk it will be saved. Otherwise, whatever data, when new data is written, the old data gets erased. So we can call RAM as temporary memory, but ROM is permanent memory since it cannot be erased. Okay, once the data is written in ROM, it will be there, it will be stored there permanently. Okay, and second difference, in RAM the data is lost when the power is switched off. It is also called as volatile memory. Volatile memory, the data storage depends upon the power supply. But in case of ROM, the power supply does not affect the data stored. Whether the data power supply is present or not, the data is safe. Okay, so in RAM, the third difference is, in RAM the data can be written very fastly. Okay, so in ROM the data writing is slow because it requires some special devices and requires special techniques to write. So data writing in ROM is slow, data writing in RAM is fast. It doesn't require any special equipment, just we go on typing the data on the keyboard, the data will be stored in RAM. So it is fast. Okay, so here in RAM the next difference is that no special program writing device is required to write the data, but in ROM we require special program writers to write the data. Okay, so here in RAM the next difference is that data can be read and written at the same time. We can keep on writing the data and continuously we can also read the data at the same time. Writing and reading can be done in the same time. But here in ROM, after the complete writing of data is over, only then the data can be read. Okay, in RAM, just press delete button on the keyboard, the data is erasable. The data is easily erasable. But in ROM, to erase also it is difficult, to rewrite also it is very difficult, to write also it is difficult. Data is not easily erasable in case of ROM. Okay, now in case of RAM, the operation is very fast. You can keep on typing the data fast, and the storage is also fast, and the RAM is primarily used to provide data to the CPU. That work is also done very fast. Okay, but in case of the ROM, the operation is slower. The data is read slower, written slower. Okay, so then coming to the next difference, the capacity is large. The RAM capacity is large. Suppose now we have 8 GB RAM. Basic computers used to have 1 GB RAM, 50 MB RAM, so as. Now the capacity has become to 8 GB RAM is the most fundamental RAM now. Okay, the capacity of ROM is very small since it requires very less data to be stored. Okay, the capacity is within 1 MB itself, you can say. Okay, ROM memories are very small. That is sufficient. So even if it is small, that is more than sufficient for the type of job ROM is used for. Okay, so in RAM the next difference is the RAM can be static or dynamic. Static RAM, flip-flops. Dynamic RAM uses capacitors. Okay, but in ROM it is only static, no dynamic, no other variations are there, but it is completely different. Okay, you can say that RAM are static only. Okay, so in RAM, once when data is entered into RAM, if you want to store it permanently, you have to shift the data to the hard disk. Okay, here that RAM that is not required. Once if you as soon as you store the data into the RAM, the data is stored there permanently. So these are the differences between ROM and RAM. Okay, so this question is usually, as I told you earlier, it is asked for 5 marks. That's just 5 points are sufficient. Okay, for your safety you can write 7 to 8 points. That is very good. Okay.